Iowa Western Community College, a place for education, a place for growth. Offering more than 80 challenging academic programs, Iowa Western is preparing students to excel in careers or a chance to continue their education at a four-year institution. Iowa Western is one of the nation's fastest-growing community colleges, with a new student center, a state-of-the-art 71,000 square foot facility filled with a cyber library, expanded bookstore, new culinary arts lab, student activities center, and a number of other resources. It allows Weaver students a chance to continue to expand their college experience. This community college is a growing small town with 1,100 students living on campus in the new Weaver Suites. And as 6,400 eager students step foot on campus this fall, Iowa Western continues to alter the world of academia by growing and expanding its already strong nursing program.
It is hard. It has to be hard. We have very high expectations of our students because we want them to be the best nurses they can. Our standard is, I want to produce a nurse that I'm comfortable taking care of me or my family.
It's a program with a great reputation built around a strong curriculum.
The way I look at that is, I'm going to be a nurse. Doctors go through tough programs to be doctors. If the program were easy, I wouldn't want any of these people taking care of me. So the way I looked at that is, the harder the program for me, the better off, the more prepared I'll be for not only boards, but also taking care of my patients in the hospital.
Nursing is not easy. You have to have a lot of knowledge that you bring with you. I tell students that you have to remember everything you got in A&P, you have to remember everything you learned in communication so that you can use that. It's not like once you finish a course you can shut that book and it's over. You have to have that and bring it with you because that set of skills is built on in the next course.
And Iowa Western is building for that next course. Renovations and construction are well underway for the Iowa Western Nursing Center of Excellence, set to open in 2011. This design from Visions of Architecture shows the new center will look just like a hospital, allowing students to practice real-life medical situations.
The simulation will open many doors for us and provide us with another way to just prepare the students for their nursing career.
The capabilities of the simulators and then really the computer and video equipment that is a part of the whole center is going to greatly improve the quality of education that we're able to provide for nurses, for surge techs, for medical assistants, and for EMTs.
Filled with state-of-the-art labs and equipment, the over 30,000 square foot center will include triage centers, 4 surgical rooms, birthing rooms, and even a mock ambulance. Another highlight, 16 human simulators, part of Iowa Western's growing interactive approach to teaching its students.
And this will give them a chance to take what they learn in the classroom and apply it. Use it with a human patient simulator who can do just about everything but get up and walk, and practice.
I feel like when we get into the clinical setting that we're well prepared, that we know what to expect, we know what's expected of us.
I feel like I will be prepared when I'm in the setting where I am the nurse caring for that patient. I feel that I will have the skills to care for that patient in a way that's going to lead to a healthy outcome for them because of the critical thinking skills.
Those critical thinking skills will be nurtured with these human simulators, doing everything from breathing, blinking, and bleeding to giving birth, teaching every known symptom and disease, all preparing students for any medical situation.
We want to give them a complete program and prepare them for their careers.
The Nursing Center will also allow Iowa Western to expand its enrollment, cutting into a projected 27% nursing shortage in the coming decade.
If you would go to the hospital in a situation where they were short 27% of the nurses that they needed, it might be a little hard to get good health care. And so that's a it's an economic issue because businesses aren't going to stay in an area where healthcare is not good for their employees. They're going to have to go on to some other place that has better healthcare for its citizenry.
The facility can also be used for continuing education for nurses and emergency medical professionals. All of these services making it a one-of-a-kind in the country, something Senator Tom Harkin noticed in his visit in March.
Wait till I am able to get on the floor of the Senate with a nice little chart showing the new facility next year and saying there's nothing like it anywhere in the United States, but only in Western Iowa, and I can go through it. And as chairman of the Health Committee, obviously I can get an audience and be able to brag a little bit about what we've done here in Iowa.
The Iowa Western Nursing Center of Excellence has also grabbed the attention of United States Representative Steve King. He participated in a simulated birth last February.
Well, I'm probably not going to brag about delivering a simulated baby. However, I'm likely to brag about Iowa Western and the progress that they have been making and that they're making here to ramp up not only the numbers of nursing students that they can turn out, but the quality and the training and the almost real ER experience that they'll have here, and to be able to set a curriculum that can have multiple simulated patients that have very real life-like qualities to them with different series of complications going on simultaneously. That's something that I don't think any nursing school in the country can do, and it's going to be happening here very soon at Iowa Western.
The goal to be the largest and best nursing center in the United States.
Anybody has a stake in healthcare. I mean, we all are going to have to be involved in it one way or another. We're all going to be ill at one time, and we want to make sure that the people that are taking care of us are competent and care about us. And so we like everyone to know that we have that type of a program, and we hope they will pass it on to anybody and know that we are putting out really, really good nurses.
A center for excellence. The facility, along with its faculty and staff, also allows students to achieve their goals, to become a healthcare provider.
It's a great opportunity to be able to help people to live out their dreams, to do the things that they want to do. It's not just a process, it's not just going to school, it is life-changing.
An investment in nursing excellence. Iowa Western is improving the education of healthcare givers of today and tomorrow.
We're making a huge financial investment in our general budget to this endeavor because we believe that it's critical and very important to Southwest Iowa.
And I love going to school here. It's a wonderful environment, and I've made a lot of friends, and not just from the people that I go to school with, but also the instructors as well. It's been a wonderful, great experience for me.
If you want a school that's going to challenge you in ways that you've never been challenged before, a school that's going to challenge you to grow in your critical thinking skills, this is the school that you should attend.
To say that you've gone to Iowa Western and graduated in their nursing program and to have that reputation, that's great. I can't imagine going anywhere else.
With the success rate here and how it's growing, how can't you invest in a program like Iowa Western?
The Iowa Western Nursing Center of Excellence.